Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro, and today I will show you how you can change slow motion speed. So you have to go for the camera, find more settings, more modes, and go for the slow motion. And when you're here, we have to tap on the right upper corner on these three lines, and here we can pick the speed of the slow motion. So again, we can go for the 120, 240, and 960. Here we can also change HD to Full HD, but as you can see, when we change the HD, we can only hit with 120 frames. So let's, for example, test HD in 960. So let's check it how it looks. Okay, and let's see how it goes. Okay, there it is. But as you can see, it doesn't look good. Take a look here. Take a look here on the fingers and on the keyboard. Definitely the 960 doesn't work good here, but when you tap on the 120, it looks better, definitely, as you can see. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.